Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group.
Hello, young mathematicians. My name is Millie. Welcome to Umizoomi Maths. Early Year Foundation Stage 2. Today, we have an exciting exercise of learning maths.
Today, we're on a journey to count from 1 to 40. Grab your imaginary pencils and get ready to write the numbers with me. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Keep going. 4, 5, 6. You're doing fantastic. Continue counting. 7, 8, 9. Almost there. Keep up the excellent work. 10, 11, 12. You're on fire. Let's keep counting. 13, 14, 15. Fantastic. We're making progress. Continue counting. 16, 17, 18. You're unstoppable. Keep it up. 19, 20, 21. Great work. We're getting closer. Continue counting. 22, 23, 24. Almost there. Keep going. 25, 26, 27. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. 28, 29, 30. We're getting close to 40. Keep counting. 31, 32, 33. You're a counting champion. Keep it up. 34, 35, 36. We're almost at 40. Keep going. 37, 38, 39. You're almost there. One last push. 40. Congratulations, little mathematicians. You've successfully counted from 1 to 40. Great job. Keep practicing and exploring the world of numbers.
Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.